I will show you how to get your Chevy Malibu's AC blowing cold again. Don't sweat it, fixing your air conditioner might be easier than you think. Let's get started. First things first, your AC compressor is like the heart of your car's air conditioning. If it stops working, you'll only get warm air, no matter how low you set the temp. So what causes your Malibu's compressor to fail? One common issue is low refrigerant. If there isn't enough, the compressor can't cool the air properly. Another culprit? A blown fuse or bad relay. These are like switches that tell your compressor when to turn on. Sometimes the compressor clutch gets stuck or breaks. If that happens, the compressor won't spin and your AC won't work. And don't forget about electrical problems. Loose wires or bad connections can also stop your compressor from working right. So, how do you know it's the compressor? Listen for clicking or rattling noises when you turn on the AC. Or, if your Malibu's AC suddenly blows only hot air, it's a big clue. If you see leaks under your car, that could mean low refrigerant too. If you spot these signs, it's best to have a mechanic check it out. Fixing an AC compressor can be tricky, but catching the problem early can save you money and keep you cool all summer.